Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Hot Trendy Beauty. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels, and I have a question for all you girls watching today. What is your favorite glitter eyeshadow that's on the market? Who makes it? Why do you like it? And why do you love it? So I'm actually reviewing the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow Glitter and Glow today. So with the applicator, I'm going to put it on to my bare mobile eyelid like so. And this is supposed to be long wearing. It's supposed to give an iridescent glow to the eye. So great, ladies and girls, teenagers of all ages, if you're going out to a party and you want to make a huge get that boyfriend. Hook him in with your eyes, your beautiful eyes. And I chose the white to enhance the blueness of my eyes. Now, what I find with this eyeshadow is that you actually have to pack on the color by patting it with the wand, like so. Now, that being said, one eye is done, and as you can see, you have a little bit of glitter, and that's about it. So it's glitter and glow. However, using a shadow brush and a white shadow from Rimmel London Cosmetics, I'm going to do the same thing because you can wear it alone, it says, or you can put a shadow base on below it. So I'm going to put a white shadow base on, so a white shadow on the base of my lid prior to the application of this product to see if I get more bang for the money that I'm actually spending on this product. Because if you're spending money on a product such as Stila or any prestige brand, and we'll be reviewing CoverGirl, we'll be doing a whole CoverGirl segment, a whole Maybelline segment, a whole L'Oreal segment as well, Rimmel London, and if you're on a budget as well, a super duper restrictive budget, SC Cosmetics is coming here to Trendy Hot Beauty. So look, I have more shadow just with the shadow of the white on my lid. Now, what I've discovered is that with the wand, okay, it is best to be applied from a flat synthetic eyeshadow brush. And by patting it actually onto the mobile eyelid, like so. So dipping it again to the product, like so. Picking it up from the brush and patting it right along the lash line. You're going to get much more color, as you can see. I'm going to be doing it again. And you know what? The package does not say this to pat. I find that if you're rubbing the product back and forth, you're actually smearing it and you're not actually patting the color on. So, what I'm noticing right now, ladies, is that, and girls, is that my eyes are starting to sting. They are starting to burn. So, this is not a product that I would recommend for people with very sensitive eyes. So we have this side here just done with a wand, very sheer. And we have this side done with an eyeshadow in white and with the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow over top of it in the liquid format. So that being said, I give this product, I give it a thumbs down because my eyes are stinging and I need to go to the washroom right now, wash them out. So, question for you, what is your favorite eyeshadow liquid glitter? What is your brand? Which brand is it? Thank you for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to all the new content that's coming up. Tomorrow is Makeover Fridays, where we're doing freaky deaky makeup, so you don't want to miss out. I'm Craig Kenzie Michaels from Trendy Hot Beauty. And make sure you join my channel. Cheers, ladies and girls, and have a fabulous Thursday.